Hello, my name is Felicia Campbell, Victim Impact Coordinator, District 60, Tennessee Department of Corrections Probation Parole Office here in Jackson, Tennessee, where our mission statement is to operate safety and secure prisons and provide effective community supervision in order to enhance public safety. Today, we're acknowledging two outstanding agencies that has supported the victims here in West Tennessee area. They are 26th District Attorney Jody Pickens and his Victim Witness Coordinator, Brooke Witherspoon. Also, Union University, which hails the annual Remember Me Walk, Dr. Terry Blakely and Nita Mehr. Enjoy.
I look at our role here in the District Attorney's Office as to positively affect public safety. And in doing so, we inevitably encounter people who have become, unfortunately, victims of crime. We understand that these are folks that are our neighbors. We attend church with them. We go to school with them. We've gone to school with them, perhaps. We work with them. That may be even some relation to people that we know. And so we want to do our best to meet them where they are in the process of trying to heal from being a victim of crime and lead them to a better place. Sometimes that means just sitting with them, explaining the process to them, because we don't ever forget that while we work in a system that is familiar to us, we've often gone to school for numbers of years and worked in the field for a number of years as well. That for people who, through no fault of their own, become involved in the criminal justice system, it's a foreign territory to them. They don't understand the process. So we want to make sure that we fully inform them of the process, get their impressions, the impact that it's had on their lives, get their thoughts about what an appropriate sentence would be after properly informing them of the parameters of what we can do. And we do that through having a victim witness coordinator and 3 assistant victim witness coordinators who attend court we try to make every session every session of court in those 3 counties, even at the general sessions or the city court level, to deal with people who are victims of misdemeanors. We also, I wrote a grant in 2009, and we've maintained a grant that provides funding for a assistant victim witness coordinator dealing strictly with domestic violence victims, because we recognize that those victims are unique in the sense that they're particularly vulnerable due to the ties that they have with their accuser, the defendant. Often they're financial. The person may be the breadwinner of that home. Often they have shared children. They reside often in the home with that person. So we understand that to make sure that they don't get lost in the process and to assure a better outcome both for the people of the state of Tennessee and also that victim, we have somebody that works directly with them. So we want to make sure that victims are taken care of in this process and that they're not forgotten and left behind in the process.
Good morning. Nita Mayer from Union University. I'm speaking on behalf of Teresa Blakely and myself, both professors here at Union, who have been involved with the annual Remember Me commemorative walk since 2007. At that time, Terry and I were running a support group for survivors of homicide loss. And our survivors informed us that they really wanted a way for their loved ones to be remembered. They were the impetus for putting the walk together, and thus the walk began. It's been running since 2007. 2019 was our 12th year to have the walk. Last year, unfortunately, we were unable to due to the pandemic, but October the 4th, 2021, the walk will take place again on our campus. This is an opportunity for loved ones to meet together, to gain support from one another, to be heard, to have a voice and to acknowledge their loved one, that they haven't been forgotten, that they are remembered, and it's a wonderful way to come together for commemoration. We have a program, an inspirational speaker. The survivors are able to participate along with members of the community in a candlelight walk around the bell tower area on campus. And then at the end, with a balloon release in which they are able to say their prayers, to honor their loved one, and yet be together with those who are in similar situations. It's an honor for us to be able to do this work, and we hope to be able to continue to honor those survivors. Thank you.